Conto is a leading insurance company that provides nationwide services. Xoft team fulfills Conto office needs by providing Microsoft 365 licenses to avoid employee computers and servers to maintain internal data. Microsoft 365 is a complete suite for day-to-day office needs. Xoft team provides managed services to Conto by fulfilling technological needs around Microsoft 365. Xoft team takes care of administrative tasks, security, compliance, and data administration. Conto is more focused on business growth than ever due to Xoft technological support. Conto needs to build HR and sales processes to reduce human errors and expedite sales. Expense approval also needs to be addressed by a new developer for Conto. After the initial assessment of the processes, it would take around 3 months for a mid-level Power Apps developer to finish projects after creating technical documents. Xoft team provided a dedicated developer to Conto, and project management is done by Xoft team. Xoft team is committed to helping developers complete projects on time. Conto needs to build onboarding and policy approval processes. Xoft team is leading the project by following application lifecycle management. Xoft team provides bi-weekly updates to the Conto management about the progress of the project. Xoft assigned a project team to finish it on time by following all industry standards. Xoft team provides basic training during handoff after completing projects successfully.